It is whoop season. What's up, guys? Jack here talking about the new BetaFPV 75X. This is a pretty interesting little whoop. It is, in fact, whoop season, and this guy has some interesting things going on. One, you can fly it on 3S. Two, you got an SD card slot in there, right? So you can fly this thing and capture HD video. So yes, we're talking little baby Cinewhoop style. All right, let's take a look. All right, so let's take a look at what we're talking about here. This is a whoop, and maybe a power whoop, or maybe better yet, a Cinewhoop is the best way to describe it. We've got some pretty awesome little motors in here. These are 1103 8000 kV motors pushing these little props here, and it does a nice little job. You can actually fly this thing in acro. On 3S battery. That's what it's made to fly on. I flew it around the house on 2S. I was kind of underwhelmed in how it performed on 2, but on 3, really a nice job. Probably better outdoors than indoors, just because, you get a 3S battery on here and it's going to be a little bit heavy. Other things to kind of think about, we've got this VTX. It's a nice little VTX in the back, switchable from 25 to 200 milliwatts, so that is a bonus. We've got a nice little LED strip. Now, mine came with the FR Sky XM Plus installed. I added these little zip ties and heat shrink to get them out of the way, kind of like little tailpipes. That's, my little design. You can see I got some grass in here because I like flying these things. These are some of my favorite drones. I took it to the park and flew it around there. We got an XT30 on the back, so that's nice, with a capacitor right there. So lots of good stuff. Lots of power coming out of this thing. So yeah, I have a good time flying it. I would recommend it. It's not really a fly around your house indoor drone unless you're really good. Nick Burns flies stuff like this around his house really fast. I'd maybe fly it around if it was really kind of slow. But if you're looking for a good 3S whoop, this is pretty darn solid. Or if you're looking for something to get some HD footage flying really tight places, this will do it. Now, it's not GoPro quality. The Caddx Turtle here is good, but not fantastic. So kind of keep that in mind. I'll show you some video and you can judge for yourself. But yeah, this is a fun little drone. BetaFPV is doing some really good stuff, and this is their 75X HD version. What do you guys think? What do you think about the video that you're seeing here? Would you buy one of these? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. All right. Good luck. Happy flying.